We teach real people how to cook real food. For a lot of our students, they're scared to cook at home because it can be intimidating. What we say is we're here to entertain you, and if you happen to learn something about cooking, that's a bonus. It's theater, is actually what it is. It's dinner and a show. When I first started the business, it was pay as you go. As the business has grown, it's created different financial needs, especially in terms of cash flow. You have to be adaptable and be willing to try new things, because if you're not paying attention, you won't be in business. We first used PayPal in our reservation system, which our customers use for checkout. The most important thing about having a payment solution that I can trust is that I don't have to worry about it. I have total peace of mind. We were growing, but cash flow was still an issue, as it always is for small business. And as I was on the PayPal website, I saw the PayPal working capital loan option. Being able to get a $2,000 loan seemed manageable. The approval was easy. There was an affordable fixed fee, and it was simple to pay back. I used my PayPal Business Cashback MasterCard to manage my daily supplies, groceries, and things like that. I use it online and in the store.
Thank you.
One of the features that I really like is the cashback feature, and then you don't have an annual fee that you have to worry about. Questions?
Okay, we're going to start in 3, 2.
We now have online classes and recipe collections. Developing the online classes and the virtual classes alleviates having to be in the classroom all the time and really gives us an opportunity to grow. So whether it's online or in person, our mission doesn't change. We want to entertain you. We want cooking to be approachable and fun, and we want to teach people how to cook more at home and enjoy it.